is famous for a lot of things around the world, from yoga to its diversity, from its travel destination to its rich past. But one thing that our country is better at doing than most is celebrating festivals. Lots of festivals. A country with diverse religious and cultural background, different types, taste and colors, and that is what makes festive in this country so special to experience. A time for celebration, a time for victory of good over bad, a time when the world sees the example of the power of good. Dashera is celebrated in different ways in different parts of country. It is called Dashera in north, Vijayadashmi in south, and Durga Utsav in east. Whatever the name, one has to agree that the festival of Dashera is one that unifies the nation, celebrating the victory of good over evil. Dashera or Vijayadashmi actually marks two celebrations in India. First, the victory of Rama over Ravan, and the victory of goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. The festival is the culmination of the 9 days long celebration observed on the 10th day in the month of Ashwin or Kartik. There are a number of stories related to the reason of celebration of Dasara. The festival of Dashera draws its origination from the great Hindu epic Ramayana, which says that the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Lord Rama, killed the 10th-headed devil Ravana in the Satyug. Since Ravana had abducted Lord Rama's wife Sita, after several years of penance, Ravana had received a boon from Lord Brahma, which made him indestructible. Rama circumvented the boon and managed to kill the demon king in a fierce battle on this day. Indians burn Ravana effigy on Dashera. It is also symbolic of the cleansing of one's soul and sin. The word Dashera is a Sanskrit word which means the removal of 10 bad qualities within you. A person should always have a noble heart and good values. That is how Lord Rama defeated the most knowledgeable person. No matter how powerful evil is, it will always be defeated by good. In many other states of India, the festival is dedicated to the victory of goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. According to the Puranas, Mahishasura performed severe penance to be immortal. However, when Lord Brahma told him that wasn't possible, the arrogant demon uttered his request, instead wishing that if he were to be killed, it had to be by a woman. The deeply prejudiced Mahishasura was extremely confident that no woman was strong enough to slay him. Soon, when his newfound strength, he started wreaking havoc in the three worlds, terrifying even the goddess themselves. That's when goddess Durga came to their rescue. She challenged the demon and fought with him in 9 days long battle.
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमोदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Ultimately slaying the powerful Asura on the 10th day. This is why Navratri celebrations are 9 days long, with each day dedicated to one of the 9 avatars of Durga. Culmination with Durga Puja celebrations on the 10th day. Men and women have roles. Their roles are different, but their rights are equal. Treat people with respect and do it with feeling too. Whatever you expect from others is what you have to give. Women are one half of the society, which gives birth to the other half. So it is as if they are the entire society. Every day the sun rises to give us a message that Darkness will always be beaten by light. Let us follow the same natural rule and enjoy the festival of good defeats evil. Happy Dashera.